Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a mini review, first impression, mini little tutorial on this palette right here. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is their Desert Oasis. It was actually, okay, so I'm pretty sure they still sell this palette, but I got mine at Marshall's for $3. It was on clearance. I hauled this a little while ago showing you guys. Some of the shadows are a little destroyed, so it was in the clearance area. And I pretty much just wiped down a bunch of shadows that I thought people stuck their fingers in, which was only really 2. But yeah, I sanitized everything and I really wanted to try it out because the shadows just look really nice. They just look really, really nice, and I think it's perfect for an everyday kind of go-to, but you kind of want a little shimmer on your face. And what I really like is that on this side right here, there's a bunch of highlighters. So if you want to see how I got this look and what I think about this palette, please keep on watching. So we're going to use this palette today. This is my first time trying it out. It's the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis. And I'm really not too sure what I want to do. So I think I'm going to start off with this color right here. And I'm just going to take a fluffy brush and just work this into my crease. So this shadow is going on really smooth. I think I want it a little darker. So let me just balance this side out and then we'll go in with a deeper shade. I'm going to go in with this color instead, using the same fluffy brush. And let's start here. There we go. I actually really like this color. I'm going to go in with this color and I'm going to work this right underneath the darkest color. Just want to warm this look up. I'm going to take this color right here and just add this right onto my lid. It's so pretty. It's really nice. There's no fallout. I'm going to take a tiny bit of that color and just add that right in the center. Going back with that shade right here, I'm just going to run this on the lower lash line and keeping this really, really simple. I'm going to take this shade right here and buff this out a little more. So this side right here are all highlighters, and I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. And let's use, I'm going to take a small amount and work this right into the inner tear duct. There was just a tiny bit of fallout. Taking that same shade, I'm just going to pop this right here. Taking the darkest brown in this palette, I'm just going to use this as a little bit of a liner, and I'm only keeping it on the outer edges of my lashes. Okay, so I'm just gonna skip lashes, and now I'm gonna go back with this palette, and I'm gonna use this color right here just to highlight my face. That's so pretty. I'm also gonna highlight my nose. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of blush. This is Anastasia Peachy Love. I'm going to take all 3 shades and apply this on my cheeks. So for my lips, I went in with Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner and then MAC's Powder Kiss lipsticks in Impulsive and Fall in Love. So final thoughts on this palette, I really like it. I didn't have any issues at all with any fallout. I had a very tiny amount of fallout when I added a little bit into my inner tear duct, but everything went on really, really nice. Everything blended out really well. No fallout. It was just super pigmented, and yeah, I have absolutely no complaints. I really like this. I think it's going to be a perfect everyday palette. The colors are just really neutral, nice and shimmery, and I like that you get a selection of the highlighters also on this side. So yeah, I like it, and especially for $3, I'm absolutely not going to complain. So I hope you guys enjoyed this hopefully quick review and mini little tutorial. I will see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, and I will see you in the next video.